What about walking in Tokyo, mammoths in the Arctic, mesmerizing drone shots from completely remote locations? Well, apparently with the correct prompt, you will now be able to create awesome video shots the same way we can do with images. That's Sora, another OpenAI product. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not something new and it's been around since 1956, but it was only late 2022 that it went mainstream with ChatGPT, Midjourney, and dall-e. Images were often awkward, especially when it came to rendering hands and feet. On the other hand, ChatGPT has shown amazing capability of chatting with people and interpreting human language. People saw it as a skip and started using it to generate movie scripts, school assignments, emails, and etc. Of course, this also transformed that old problem, if the internet said it's right, to I asked GPT. The Googling problem became worse now, at least I think. Despite writer strikes, AI developers kept working and 2024 started with OpenAI's Sora. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from text instruction. That's what's printed on their website. After taking a look into the samples, I agree with the first sentence, but realistic is too much for now. Okay, the images are pretty good and someone's like this drone shot. This lost in space style scene. And others look great and will probably fool a lot of people that are not aware that this technology exists. Unfortunately, it's not possible to test Sora yet, but in the website you can find lots of samples and their prompts. Is it really good? Well, it depends, right? Remember when ChatGPT was launched, the writer's strike came along because AI could technically replace some of them and save a lot of money in the movies industry? Wonder if us software engineers started to worry about AIs replacing us. Wouldn't it be crazy? In general, people should understand that yes, jobs will disappear and new ones will be created. This is completely normal. Think about jobs we had 50 years ago that don't exist anymore, like teleoperators, for example. So people today should stay tuned and start evolving with the technology to understand and use it as a powerful tool in their favor rather than immediately resorting to complaints. I understand it's hard. There are people that don't have another job or opportunity to learn a new profession. But this transition will likely occur gradually over years, and when finally AI replaces developers, we'll be able to see the sunshine again and be happy in the new profession. According to OpenAI itself, Sora still struggles when a large number of entities are involved and some physics. As you can see in this footage, background school seems like a city, people walking around, and you can see some glitches like feet gliding in the ground, and the legs are weird, clearly. In this other one, the cat is healthy until now. Another leg appears from nothing and it has two left paws. That's cute, but weird. And if you like dogs, you'll like this one, because animals or people can spontaneously appear in the scene, and the more entities, the worse the glitches are. And sometimes it just goes crazy. Look at this chair that emerged from the sand and seems like it's self-conscious. Complete madness. Let's be fair and understand that this is very new and Sora is still being trained and improved. It don't even add sound to the video yet. I think AI companies learned a lot since 2022. Since the improvements made to all the tools that we have today are amazing. We have AIs everywhere today, and they help a lot of sectors every day. But what are your thoughts? Do you find this concerning? Elon Musk was right and AI should be stopped? Let me know in the comments below. I personally think it can be concerning in some cases, but not in most cases. We don't know the real capability of this model yet and how it will be limited. We don't know how it will behave around deepfaking copyrights, copying other people's work, and so on. Well, I think only the future can tell us. In conclusion, the emergence of AI-driven technologies like Sora marks a significant milestone in the realm of content creation, promising to revolutionize the way videos are produced and consumed. While Sora demonstrates impressive capabilities in generating visual scenes from textual prompts, it also underscores the ongoing evolution and challenges within the field of artificial intelligence. As with any nascent technology, there are limitations and areas for improvement, such as addressing glitches and refining realism and rendering like a lot of entities. However, with continued advancements and responsible implementation, AI-driven tools like Sora, ChatGPT, Midjourney, dall-e, and many others hold immense potential to enhance creativity and efficiency in video making process, originating a new era of storytelling and visual expression. That's all for today's video. Smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, click subscribe if you want to see more of this, and leave a comment telling us what are your thoughts. I see you in the next one.